Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I tried this out and I really wanted to try this with you, so stay tuned. I thought that this was a really great idea to help out with your gel polishes if they're a little bit too thick. So enjoy the video. I'm probably not going to talk for most of the video because it'll be a short one, but I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for stopping by. Alright, so most of you might know that this is a wax warmer, and the light there is going to turn like an orangey red color. That's how I know that it is on. In a few minutes it will shut off, and I didn't even realize it because I was wondering why the warmer was not warming up. So I don't know what happened there, but eventually it turns on and we are able to achieve what we wanted. So I am just going to place the gel polish on top of the wax warmer. That's all I'm going to do. I am placing these nail tips on the top of the nail stand. They are nice and sturdy. Definitely prefer these nail stands instead of the magnetic ones. I do like the magnetic ones. I just think that these are a little bit more sturdy. As far as, when you're making maybe some press-on sets and you want to file, these are definitely more sturdy for me, in my opinion. So I'm showing you what this gel polish looks like before I place it on the wax warmer. It's really thick. It's not as runny. I like a really loose gel polish. Not too thick, because you know what happens if it's too thick and you apply it too thick, you're not going to give the coats, enough chance to cure. It's not going to cure fully is what I'm trying to say. Doesn't even matter how long you cure it for. Sometimes it's just, if it's too thick, it's just not going to cure correctly. It may look like it's cured, but then as you go applying more coats and then you go for a full cure, you realize that maybe when you go to file, you realize that the gel polish is peeling. That's because the gel polish is just way too thick, and maybe you applied it too thick when you were applying the coats. So just make sure that you apply the coats of gel really thin as possible. So the point of doing this is because when your gel polishes are cold, they become really thick. And when you warm them up, they become more loose, more fluid, kind of more liquidy, right? If we were to think of, see how there's even strings when I'm pulling the gel polish? It's really thick. When I'm pulling the gel, the brush, from the bottle, you can tell it's thick. So we want to warm up the gel polish so that it becomes more fluid, that's all. Because that's going to help when we apply it to our nails. And it's going to help our curing process as well, right? So that's what we're trying to do. I'm not sure if you can tell in the video, but the Vanillisa polish, the pink polish that I'm applying to the tip right now, this polish really loosened up. It became really fluid. It's not thick at all. So it's great because when we cure, it's going to cure correctly. Remember, you want to apply the gel polish in coats as thin as possible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope that this video was helpful for you. It definitely is a game changer for me. If you don't have a wax warmer, I would suggest maybe to keep your polishes in a warm place. Maybe by a small heater or something, because they need heat to be able to become more workable, right? If a gel polish is too thick, it's not going to work. So it needs to be applied in really thin layers. So once again, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.